Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this video I will show you how the split tool from the Draft Workbench works in FreeCAD. I'm using FreeCAD 1.1 in this video. So the split tool enables you to split draft lines or draft wires into two objects. So for me, here I have a draft line, and first I will deselect everything, so I've got nothing selected, and I will fire up the split tool. And now if I move my mouse here, you can see that the line is highlighted, and if I click here, the split tool splits the line into two objects. So this is the original line, it's here, and this one is a new line that was created. What's important to note is that it doesn't matter which object you have selected when you fire up the tool. So now I have this line selected, and here actually I have got the wire, which is one object of these three segments. And maybe I will select this line, and if I fire up the tool now, I can still move my mouse here and click, and you can see that this wire was split from this part, and this other wire is then created. And what's important to know is again that the split tool does not work on other objects than draft wire or draft line. So here I have an edge object, and if I use the split tool and hover my mouse here and click, nothing happens and the tool is ended. So this might be confusing because the edge was not split. But to fix this, you can actually upgrade or downgrade these edge objects into a draft line or draft wire. So if I select the edge, and I will use either this upgrade or downgrade tool, here I will use the draft upgrade. So if I click it, now the edge was upgraded into draft line. And now if I fire up the split tool and I click here, you can see that the original edge was split into two draft lines. Up until now, I was clicking on these objects basically at a random place. I did not select the point more precisely, but when you are splitting, usually the snapping tools come in quite handy. So if I turn on snapping, and I will turn on snap to midpoint, and I fire up the split tool and I hover my mouse over this line, you can see the snap point is highlighted, and if I click here, the line was split into two objects which have individual length because I was snapping to the midpoint. Now what is quite often that you want to split object where it intersects another object. So I will turn off snap to midpoint, and I will turn on snap to intersection. And if I now fire up the split tool and I move my mouse here and I click, you can see that this line was split into two objects, and this one is the original one. Now in this process, I will show you how to make this line split into two. What is the difference? How do I choose which one will be split? So here again I have got the similar two lines. If I fire up the split tool, first what's important to note is that if I hover my mouse just over the one line, the intersection is not highlighted. I have to first highlight the first one and then hover my mouse over the second one, and then the intersection point is highlighted. So I have to hover my mouse over these two consecutively, and then if I'm hovering my mouse here, you can see that I would be splitting this line, and if I hover my mouse here and the highlighted line is the other one, I will be splitting this line. So now I want to split this one, so while hovering here I will click here, so this one was split. And if I wanted to also split this one at the intersection, I will fire up the split tool again, hover my mouse here, hover it here, but now I want to split this one, so hover here again and click, and I've got all of these split here. Now what is really cool about the split line is that it can also work in a 3D space. If I it looks like there's an intersection here. If I fire up the split tool and I have my mouse here, the intersection is not highlighted. And this is because I will escape the split tool, and if I rotate my viewport, you can see that these two are still draft lines, but they are created in a different point of the 3D space in a different Z level. So actually the intersection is not highlighted because they are not intersecting. They are only apparently intersecting when I look at it from the top view. But if I still want to split one of these two lines, looking at it from the active working plane, I would enable this snap to working plane. And now if I have my mouse here or here, you can see that it's actually highlighting the point where there is apparent intersection projected on the working plane, even though if I look at it from the 3D view, it's outside. So I can actually split this line at the apparent intersection. So if I have my mouse here and click, this one is split into two lines, and it was split exactly when it's projected perpendicular to the current working plane. So this is useful trick when you are working in a 3D space, and this may come in handy. So this is all you need to know about the Draft Split tool in FreeCAD. If you like tutorials like this one, consider supporting the FCB Lounge channel by donating through the Ko-Fi page. The link is in the description box below. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.